Yeah, do you know where we are yet? Do you know where we are? Yeah, where do you think we are today? Can you recognize the colour? Do you recognize it? Let's have a peek around the corner. Where are we going today? You recognize it yet? That's the way in. You'll see us going in. Yeah, we need to go in right here. Not there. Here. So let's get seeing what's happening. Hey. Do you know yet? Yeah, we're at IKEA, and this is what we have to do. You can see, look, it's this is the use of technology in China. So it's just scanning for your temperature, so, and then you get hand sanitizer. So, you know, China is very well ahead with its technology and this thing. So let's go shopping. Sunday, we're in IKEA, but not so busy. Usually IKEA is hugely busy, but it's not so busy at the moment. Don't think the restaurant or the cafes are open though, so no food or none of the famous IKEA not hamburgers, hot dogs or ice cream. We have to wait and see till we get downstairs, as usual. Oh. So we'll have to wait and see until we get downstairs, as usual.